So good morning, everyone. So I'm going to share my thoughts about what makes the teacher truly effective. So in my own opinion, teachers is really effective because without the teachers, those professional persons um, those professional persons like engineers, doctors, pilots, they can stand with what they have, what they can stand on their path if there is no teachers, because with the use of teachers, those knowledge that we gain is from those teachers that teachers is the key, because we all know that teachers is the key for us to success, for us to have enough knowledge, for us to catch or for us to reach those goals that we dream on since we are on on elementary. Because and another reason is that another reason is that teacher, we all know that teacher is our second parents when it comes to when we are at school. And they are not just an educator, they are not just a mentor, they are they are also our parents when it comes to school, and they are a mentors who inspire us, who teach us a lessons, and inspires us to learn more, to their passion, dedication inspire us to keep going and never give up. And teaching is more professional, and um, without the teachers, those knowledge that we need in our future, we can acquire those knowledge if there are